Mzee, hebu niambie, would you recommend Kit Interiors to any other client? Personally, do you like the outcome of projects? Once again, guys, welcome to another episode. Today, I'm so much excited to show you a kitchen we've been doing in AKALA, and this is Bondo County, Mzee? This is SIAYA County, and it's actually very simple, straightforward. Actually, one of the persons on the ground has said that you brought Nigeria in our village, and for real, this is Nigeria, and it is not Nigeria. This is Europe, this is America, this is Canada, this is the UK standards. And I just want to take you through quickly through the kitchen we've done in the village, so that you can believe that the village is the current thing. So many people used to think only good things belong to the city, but I am so much excited as a villager who was born and bred in Bungoma County, in the villages, from primary school all the way to the university in the villages, transforming our villages in Kenya. And not forgetting, we have actually crossed the country. We are now in Uganda and in Kyadondo, and very soon actually starting another project in Tanzania. And this is just to assure you guys that Kit Interiors is doing marvelous works across East Africa. So let's go straight to the point. Then today I have my client on site, and he will give us what we call the client review. So let's start from here. So this kitchen, quickly, as usual, I will normally tell you the kitchen is as simple as the tall cabinets, the low level cabinets, the high level cabinets, and sometimes the islands or the breakfast counter. So in this particular project, we were lucky to get a nice beautiful corner where we had high-level cabinets that ran almost like 2 to 3 meters. This is 900 times 3 is around 2.7. So these are tall cabinet, and basically it's more storage whereby you can just arrange your goodies and be happy. Then as usual, we are combining different types of material just to boost or to make the kitchen look a bit entertaining and more beautiful, aesthetically appealing, as far as it's functional, but it also has to be appealing. We have this cabinet here which has glass. We are to bring in today, I just showed you, actually there is the shelves that are coming here in Harvard cherry that will go in here, so that you can actually do your decorative elements here, or you can do some beautiful stuff that are supposed to be visible to many people. Then, and it's put in between symmetrically, 2 panels on the right and 2 panels on the left, and it sits in the middle. And that means the next thing is more or less the same as the other side. And these tall cabinets most of the times carry the oven and the microwave, the double door fridge, and then the pantry thing. But on this particular project, we opted to have the double door fridge on the other side, so that to maximize on the space. Immediately after the tall cabinets, we are lucky to have this beautiful space here that is carrying the oven, and this one carrying the microwave. And below the oven, as usual, we give you a nice beautiful big drawer cabinet that you can even do pants, you can do whatever. And then most of the times we give you soft close drawer rails. And as usual, Kit Interiors is all about details. You want to walk into this space and try and compare it to the international standards and be happy. So as I look around, I'm looking, most of the times when I'm on site, I'm actually looking for problems. And when I look around, I see no problem at all. So let's move forward. So here we have a nice, beautiful, these are like a 2.4. No, this is like 2.4. This is like 2.4 meters. We normally do 2.4, we can do 2.7, we can do 3 meters depending on the size of your kitchen. And this is an island. I normally confuse islands and breakfast counter. So there's a difference between an island and a breakfast counter, but still it can work as a breakfast counter. So on this, it is actually on at the heights of the low level cabinets on the side, but I'm thinking we can actually take it lower to 7.760 so that it can act as a dining table, whereby if you have a dining table stool, you can comfortably sit on it without getting the high stools. So I will try and see. Most of the times, as I've always told you, it is continuous improvement, learning and relearning every day, but I will try it and see. So we have, this is a waterfall counter whereby the granite, and this is not granite, this is spots in white and some black or gray spots. It's a waterfall whereby when I say waterfall, the granite falls on the left side as a leg and the other granite falls on the other side as a leg. Then we have a top, then on the far end, that is where your people come and sit and have their dinner or their breakfast. And on this side, this is where you're cooking from. And then if you want to do preparation, you just make one full step like this. Then you make another step like this, and you can be chopping your onions, you can be chopping your things on this side. Then you just draw them and put them here. Then under here we have storage, and those are drawers. And then we have a door. Then we have an open cabinet, so that we just bring in the aesthetic element in the functionality, whereby you can actually do some nice, beautiful vases. You can do some whatever. These are called what? The dummy books or the recipe books. You can put them here so that your kitchen is a bit not so serious, but entertaining. So from this other side, quickly, so we have the high level cabinets, and this is the cooking side. We have the high level cabinets and the low level cabinets. And then we have the granite, and the backsplash is a repeat of the same. Actually, for me personally, my preference to my clients, I think I prefer when you have the top and the backsplash looking the same. It gives you more a neater finish, less vibrant, less manenos. And even when it comes to maintenance, it is just as easy as cleaning. Sometimes tiles have lines and all manner of things. You want to fill in the grouting and all that and all that. So it's not that it's hard, but as a preference for me, I'll go for this. Then we have our DP switches. These are DP. One is for you can hear it making noise. That is for the oven. This one is for the this is for the microwave. This is for the oven, and this is for the hood that is supposed to be installed there, but it hasn't been installed because we have some little bit of work to be done just here and there, which will be done in a week's time. And so we prefer when the guy comes, he will do the fitting. This is for the cooker. It controls the cooker. When it's off, the cooker goes off. So on this side is just storage as usual. Then as you go further, we have that as spice rack. And this kitchen has been done by a lady that is a girl who belongs to Amze, and that is what I normally say, that educating girls is the in thing. So this girl actually makes me happy because this is something you can never go wrong. Even inside your heart, these people gave you education. These people gave you cans for you to be educated. These people just took you through life. And for you to appreciate them, these are some of the things you can do to these old people for them to feel it. Another mechanism, most of the times combining different things here, there. You can be a formal guy, but informality also is good. So some of the items we combine here is handleless doors. You push, and that is called a Titus lock. You just push and press. You push, finish working, and press it back. The Titus lock operates like that, and it's actually very efficient because it pushes this thing very hard. Then you push it back. Then just below here, just as an artist, you add some oomph to your space and oomph to your things so that they just don't look boring, so that your kitchen do not look just Okay, let's continue. So here we have a 5 burner 5 burner in the essence whereby most of the times we consider people who have, sometimes you come in and there's no gas, you can always switch on the DP and then you switch on this, take it to maybe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the burner will work as you're waiting for your guy to bring in the gas. Then the other accessories here are for the gas, so you just whatever, it's already connected. And for sure, if you have power there and it's connected, you do not need the matchstick. You just press it in. Wait for a while. You do not supposed to wait for so long. Like that, it comes on. So that, then we have dough storage under. We have the spice rack here, and then we have open cabinets. This houses the hood, so that panel is gonna come here. Then it is gonna be covered by this. This becomes the socket. That socket will always be on. We control it from that side. Normally we'll be switching it off on that side. Look at the trimming, look at the cornices, simple, straightforward, and no wahalas. On this other side, more storage. Then we come and finish your kitchen on this side with a nice, beautiful double door fridge, seated and fitting nicely. Then on top, we give you more storage. And that is the mechanism you're using. You just leave it, it will go. And that is it. So quickly, let me show you the pantry before I go and interview Mzee and ask him a few questions. So this is the pantry as usual, low level and high level. When I say a high level is sitting on a low level, sometimes I keep on asking myself, what am I saying? But today, I am happy to show you a high level sitting on a low level. And this is a combination of the low level, high level, so that you can have maximum storage. So these are just boxes you can put whatever. They're called what? Vases or what? Storage cans. Clear ones you put the breads, nini, you can label if you want, like that. And then here you can put things you don't want to see, like foils. And then under there we have the bigger ones, we have the smaller ones. And it is as simple as that. And as we go back, under here, this is where you put your deep freezer near the door, socket. You just open and we're giving you an allowance, so when it comes, it will work. Let's go to the other side, by the way, I forget. So on this side, again, this is most of the times you walk in, sometimes people buy items later. So here, this is where we'll do a dishwasher. The DP for the dishwasher is here and the DP for the under sink is here. So here we give you a double bowl and a pull-out mixer. So, and then it's a double bowl, so if you are working, you can be washing on this side, then you can be rinsing on this side, and whenever you feel like you want to wash around, you can pull out this thing and then you will be very happy. In fact, you'll be enjoying. Then as usual, details, we trim your backsplash. So this comes here and then it's trimmed all the way, so even if you do soaps and all manner of things, this place does not get as dirty as the others. Then as you go towards this other side, there is an element that has to be done here. We have a wooden panel that is gonna come here. We have an overflow on the other side. So when you're on the kitchen on the other side, you can always sit on the center tables, and those are the high bar stools. Then have your breakfast quickly. The lady has prepared quickly, put here, probably put them there. In the morning you can come and just quickly have your snack and dash out. So nothing so much special on this side, just drawers, just doors and more storage. Doors, more storage, and you can have things that you can transit as you come in and come out. You can put them here. So this is where you can put your toaster, this is where you can put your other elements, and then you can put your decorative things here. You can put your maybe a coffee machine around here, and you will be as a happy client as ever. And for that particular reason, let me not waste your time. It was basically just a kitchen, and to remind you that the villages are the in thing at Interiors, where style meets elegance. So today, let me interview my client to just ask the client if they are excited about the kind of work that has been done on this project. And Mzee, just come Mzee. So today I am excited to just ask a client, and by the way, you guys, it's not easy to ask clients questions. Most contractors by this particular stage, they cannot even shake hands with their clients. So it's I'm very lucky to be here and to just talk to Mzee, and this is the owner of the project, so that we hear. You know, sometimes hearing is believing. Mzee, hebu niambie, would you recommend Kit Interiors to any other client? And personally, do you like the outcome of the project?
Unfortunately, this is the women's side, so I may not have much.
Yes.
But the general appearance looks quite elegant.
Huh?
Yes.
Like the lady.
I'm sure if my daughter or my wife were here,
yes,
they would have said much better than me. Because this is according to do custom.
Yes.
African original.
Yes.
This is the office of
the madam.
The madam.
Yes.
Otherwise, generally it looks quite good.
Yes.
There are a number of things which are strange, new. When we come to cooker.
Yes.
You call it what hob?
This is a hob.
A hob?
A hob.
A hob.
Yes.
Now, when you look at the cupboards, they are a little bit elegant.
Yes.
And maybe the only one, I don't know whether
this one, the spice rack.
Yeah.
Yes.
They pull out the spice rack.
Yes.
Which is very rare to find.
As you cook, you just put them here. Instead of looking them around, you just pick and then put back.
And then when you go the other side,
on the top,
the top is fairly, it's very unusual.
Yes.
You can swing it.
You can swing
either way.
Yes.
You can lengthen it.
Yes. If you want to wash on this side, you don't need
that one.
Yes.
And of course, the main control is here.
Yes.
And then when you come here,
we have Lazy Susie.
Lazy
Susie.
Lazy Susie or
corner kidney. You see, it looks like a kidney. Yes.
So
corner kidney.
Whatever they have, they can swing it there. Yes. The rest are normal drawers.
Yes. Yes.
And when we come to this side, the difference instead of having the micro on its own,
Yes.
and then the oven.
Yes.
The old system, the oven was related to the cooker. Today is the new system. They are separated.
Yes.
And of course, the advantage is that they are covered. And unlike before,
Yes.
when you can move it up, now you keep on switching it off. Then instead of switching it here, there is a main control on the other side. Otherwise, it looks quite good.
Yes.
The only unfortunate thing is that it may not be pocket friendly. It is wireless.
If you can do it, they can do it also.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's a question of sacrifice.
Yes.
It's a question of beautifying the kitchen.
Yes.
Beautifying the air.
For us, we are so much happy for you giving us an opportunity to work for you. And as Kit Interiors, we are normally so dedicated to just make your spaces as beautiful as possible. From the client to your hand, to your heart, to your ears. So bring those products. Thank you so much.